Y'all, this is my outfit. Don't mind my clothes, best get back here. This is my outfit for today. And that's my brother in the bathroom singing. I hope I don't get copyrighted for that because he's stupid. But this is my little blanket I'm taking to lay in the sand. And this is Joe's little toys. I'm just taking some of them because I don't have time for that. His little shades. This is first day at the beach actually getting in the water. Because he been on the beach before but in the hotel like pool and stuff. So yeah. She's my brother goggles. He getting in the water probably. These are some of Joe's little snacks. I gotta get the rest of them. I got him some fruits in the freezer. But yeah, and I gotta take his petroleum jelly so he can stay moisturized because I don't want him to get sunburned. His 2 diapers, wipes, and I got some cold waters in the freezer. So yeah, we're good for our little beach trip. We finally are out of quarantine. So yeah, we're gonna go have fun for a little while. And I'll get back to y'all when we get out there. What's up? It's your girl, the one and only Ari. Once again, I'm dressed now, y'all. Period. We on the way to the beach. Look at JoJo. Say hey, Joe. Y'all, he mad at me because he didn't want to keep his hat on. But he stood okay because he got his jumper on. But yeah, my brother over there recording for his channel. Shy, say hey.
What's up?
But yeah, we on the way to the beach. We're gonna get back to y'all when we get to the beach. Y'all look at my brothers. We at the beach together. Shy, say hey again. I'm making him put my cover down. JoJo. Hey. Joe. Joe. Jojo, like, I ain't even feeling these.
Nah, he wanted to get out. I'm gonna put him up.
So yeah,
y'all
we really out here.
God.
Y'all, we not on quarantine no more.
How supposed to do this?
Hey y'all, we out here. Y'all look at my little edges I tried to do earlier. My braids, it's time for my braids to go, really. But y'all, I just wanted to show y'all Joe. He playing in the sand, y'all. He really playing. I didn't think he was gonna play.
Oh no, man.
I hear feel good, to be honest. The sand is blowing in my face.
And big people.
He was so dumb. There's a good bit of people out here too. They down there, and some down there. Y'all, I found a jellyfish. It's no legs on the jellyfish. You so dumb. Look at it, y'all. It look like it look fake. Anyways, I'm gonna let Joe put his foot in the water. He's scared, but he going. I got slave feet, y'all. I'm really walking on the damn rocks. Oh, real shot. Y'all, it's really for these things. Boy, no, just touch. Yo, so that's already 4 jellyfishes we found.
Whoa!
I didn't even see how I walked by him. Can you put your foot in? Y'all, it is now 5:30 and we was out here since 3:30 something. So we had a good time basically out here. Joe's still playing in the sand. I don't think he want to leave yet, but we about to move because I'm sleepy first of all and I'm hungry. And your mama is cooking shrimp fried rice and fried wings, so I got to go. Yeah. My brother in the cut. He always doing a jump shit. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Oh yeah, we ate our snack too and drink our water because you know drink water mind your business. But anyway,
stay tuned.
Yeah.
Like,
stay tuned for more videos from me. Like, comment, subscribe. And like I said, it's your girl, the one and only Ari. And it's gonna only get better. And y'all turn the notification bell on because my birthday is coming up and I'm gonna be doing a birthday vlog and I'm gonna get my outfits together and everything. Hopefully everything turns out right and we be out of quarantine fully for my birthday. Hopefully. But anyway, I'm still gonna get my things together, order my hair and everything else. Cause the bitch is about to be 20, period. I'll see y'all later. Hope y'all enjoy my video. Peace.